Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here. In today's video, I'm going over Black Friday deals for the fighting game community. Let's get started. Alright, to kick things off, Arcade Shock has been having a pretty massive Black Friday sale, with sales starting earlier this week and continuing on over the weekend. They have a code for Black Friday to save 20% on FGC parts. On Wednesday, Arcade Shock kicked things off with sales on the Hori Hayabusa joystick, Sanwa OBSF 30 buttons, and Hori Hayabusa buttons. In my opinion, these are pretty darn good deals and they're still available on the Arcade Shock store. As you probably know, I'm a big fan of Sanwa OBSF buttons as well as Hori Hayabusa buttons. In terms of the Hayabusa joystick, I'm not the biggest fan of this joystick, but at the same time, 23 bucks for it is a pretty darn good deal. On Wednesday, crown levers went on sale, and on Thursday, Fightstick bags went on sale. Also on Thursday, we saw a reduction in prices on the Brook Retro board by 10 bucks. On Friday, this is a pretty huge one. If you are in the market for an arcade stick, you might want to check out Arcade Shock here. The Quamba Obsidian will be going on sale, as well as two different versions of the Hori Real Arcade Pro. As you probably know, I am a big fan of the Quamba Obsidian as well as the Hori Real Arcade Pro. I own both sticks and I'm happy with both of them. On Saturday, the Auto DIY kits go on sale. Both the V5 and the V2 kits will be selling for $22.95. If you are in the market for maybe tweaking your Sanwa JLF just a little bit, I would definitely recommend checking out the Auto DIY kits. The V5 makes the JLF, I would say, a bit more of a complete stick altogether. It looks at the JLF design and tries to improve on it, and the V2 gives the JLF a completely different feel. They're also selling pre-modded sticks with either the Auto V2 or V5 kits for $44.95. And last but not least, on Sunday, replacement panels will be going on sale. So if you want to switch up the panel on your Fightstick, now might be the time. They're also doing some giveaways on face masks as well as hats, provided you fill their conditions. Now moving on from Arcade Shock, if you are in the market for a brand new custom Fightstick, Junk Food Arcades just released the Snackbox V2, and it is going on sale for $79 on their website on Friday. Junk Food Arcades make some pretty darn good fight sticks. Not only are they good looking, they are extremely functional. Their quality testing is also top notch by making sure they survive after being run over by a truck. JXK Designs will be having 15% off their apparel, merchandise, as well as their Espada Fight Stick cases. Quamba will also be having sales directly from their website. The Obsidian, the Drone, the Aegis, the Carbon, the Shield, and the Pearl joystick will all be on sale. As an added bonus, you should be able to receive an additional 10% off with $5 off shipping using the code UYU2020. And last but not least, there are a ton of discounts right now on fighting games on Steam. Shoutouts to Reddit fighters for putting together a pretty comprehensive post of all of the discounts. There are a lot of fighting games out there and it's easy to become overwhelmed with the sheer number available. So if you've been kind of kicking around the idea of picking up one to try, well, now is your chance. And these are some pretty crazy deals. Tekken 7, 20 bucks for the Ultimate Edition. MK11 you can test out for 15 bucks. Guilty Gear on for $2.99. Skullgirls on for $2.99. DBFZ on the Ultimate Edition for $17.59. These deals are pretty crazy. But anyways, that is all I've got for today. Let me know what you think about these Black Friday deals in the comments below. If I missed any Black Friday deals, definitely let me know in the comments below and I'll make sure they're pinned so everyone can see them. If you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos. Thank you everyone, take care.